drag the part to the right place. Amazing! Let's put the refueling gun in the tank. Look at the indicator. It shows how much fuel there is in the machine. Hooray! Let's prepare the soil for growing sunflowers. Tap on the screen to make the machines continue to work. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Keep up the good work. Seeding machine. That's all. Let's plant the sunflower seeds. We need to wash the seeding machine. You're doing really great. First, let's assemble a self-propelled sprayer. Ready. Let's fuel the self-propelled sprayer. Let's fertilize the soil for quick growth of sunflowers. And now let's wash the self-propelled sprayer. Keep up the good work. Pickup truck. You're doing really great. First, let's fuel the pickup truck. You're doing really great. Let's put up a scarecrow to keep the birds away. Let's wash the pickup truck. We did it! We need to assemble a pickup harvester. Ready. And now we need to fuel the pickup harvester. Keep it up. The sunflowers are ripe. It's harvest time. Let's wash the pickup harvester. That's all. We need to assemble a grain truck. That's all. Let's fuel the grain truck. That's all. Let's prepare the seeds before pressing the sunflower oil. And now let's wash the grain truck. Don't stop. Let's assemble a market truck. That's all. First, let's fuel the market truck. Ready. Let's bottle the sunflower oil. Great, we've produced sunflower oil. We need to wash the market truck. Keep up the good work.